All right, more news coming in. JDU has attacked the RJD for only Tejasvi picture in the poster that was put out. JDU says will accused in scams become the MGB face. Root joke for Mahagathbandhan ally, says the JDU, the previous ally of the RJD, now going after Tejasvi Yadav, who happened to be at one point in time the Deputy Chief Minister when Nitish was the CM and the JDU RJD had joined hands. Why is Rahul's face missing is the question that the JDU is now asking.
कैसा ये महागठबंधन है और आज के संवाददाता सम्मेलन में तस्वीर केवल आपकी, दीपांकर भट्टाचार्य कहाँ हैं, डी राजा कहाँ हैं, राहुल गांधी कहाँ हैं, माननीय सीपीएम के नेता कहाँ हैं। सवाल दरपेश यह है कि क्या 420 का आरोपी का ही फोटो रहेगा, उसके बावजूद अगर गठबंधन के घटक दल का जमीर नहीं जगता है, इसका मतलब जमीर का आपने सौदा कर लिया है।
Rahul Gandhi has been deleted. Do they consider Rahul Gandhi to be a liability? That's why they have deleted him from the picture? Or is it that Congress has been shown its place by RJD? Till yesterday, Congress leader Pappu Yadav was saying Rahul is the face of Bihar. Rahul is the face of Bihar. Today, Rahul Gandhi has been deleted completely. So this shows that how the Congress and RJD and other parties in the Mahagathbandhan, they are fighting against each other. And this is Samman Chori of Congress. Vote chori, so there is nothing proven, and ticket chori is taking place in their parties, but this is the Samman chori that has taken place of the Congress party.
I'm going to go straight across to Piyush Mishra, getting in more details on that story. This is the JDU, and of course before the JDU, even the BJP, saying that Gandhi is out of the picture. Really, that's the refrain that the Congress is a junior partner in this alliance and has been wiped out in that sense from Bihar, and also the fact that Tejasvi Yadav, we do know, is facing charges, something that the JDU is now raking up.
That's right, Sneha. And in a short while from now, what we are expecting is that Mahagathbandhan will also do a press conference, and for that, the arrangements have also been done at Maurya Hotel of Patna. Right now, we are present at the Maurya Hotel, where the backdrop has also been installed. You can clearly see as to how it is written Mahagathbandhan Bihar press conference, and it is going to happen on this big backdrop where the press conference is going to happen. We have only one photograph, and that is of Tejasvi Yadav. So you can see as to how there is only one man who is on the poster. Rahul Gandhi is missing, Dipangkar Bhattacharya is missing, D. Raja is missing, and Mukesh Sahni, who is also very important part of Mahagathbandhan, even he is missing. But yes, there are symbols those have been put up here. You can see as to how there is symbol of RJD, Congress, left, CPI, CPML, Mukesh Sahni's party. All these symbols are here, but there is no face of any leader. On the left side of this very poster is written Bihar Mange Tejasvi Sarkar. So in a way, this poster which has been put up here is saying that Tejasvi is going to be the face of Mahagathbandhan. Under Tejasvi Yadav's leadership only, Mahagathbandhan will be fighting the elections. But here the problem is that only the face of Tejasvi Yadav can be seen, only photograph of Tejasvi Yadav can be seen. All the photographs of other leaders of the Mahagathbandhan is completely missing, and that is what the BJP is also now raising. BJP is saying that missing the photographs from other constituents of Mahagathbandhan certainly signifies that Mahagathbandhan is on the verge of break. So that's a big comment which is now coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party. In a short while from now, we will also expect a press conference to be done by Mahagathbandhan. And remember, Sneha, that this press conference is taking place after Ashok Gehlot meeting with the top leadership of RJD. Yesterday, he met with Tejasvi Yadav, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi, and after that itself, what we are told is that things have at some point settled down, and that's why this press conference is also to take place in Hotel Maurya of Patna.
But noon today, I'm going to come back to you for more on that, Piyush Mishra, getting in those details. Meanwhile, we're going to be playing out this interview with India Today's Maria Shakil, where Tejasvi spoke of his chief ministerial ambitions. Let's take a listen.
तेजस्वी, लेकिन महागठबंधन ने फॉर्मली क्यों नहीं अनाउंस किया?
5-10 दिन बाद हो जाएगा।
तो जब आप राहुल गांधी के साथ यात्रा में थे, आपने बार बार बोला कि महागठबंधन का आप चेहरा हैं, ये अंडरस्टूड है। लेकिन फॉर्मल अनाउंसमेंट में क्या दे रहे हैं?
समय पे हो जाएगा।